Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. If you want to try to get started with test automation in your project, I'm assuming you do know how to do some test automation, you know, scripting and so forth, and you want to get it going in your project at the moment. What do? Well, here's my suggestion. Don't go and take a whole lot of manual test scripts and start to write automated test scripts for those manual test scripts. Don't do that, it's a waste of time. Why is it a waste of time? Because it will become an activity that will dominate your testing activities. It will be something that will take a lot of your time and effort, and in fact that won't actually yield that much benefits, because manual test cases just aren't designed to be good candidates for automation. They're not where you will get the most ROI, the most bang for your buck. Try a different approach. Try something like this. Take one story, one acceptance criteria, talk to the developers, talk to the team, figure out the best way to automate it. That could be through unit testing, that could be through end-to-end testing, that could be by adding a new API endpoint to make it easier to test. But talk to the team, have a conversation, collaborate, figure out the most effective way to prove that this particular acceptance criteria works. And once you've done that, automate it. Now, how do you automate it? Who automates it? Figure it out with the team. Talk to the team. The end goal is to get the automation into the process, embedded into the flow. And that involves working as a team, not doing things in isolation. Do that for one acceptance criteria, and you'll see, you'll get traction. Next acceptance criteria, talk to the team again and say, okay, how can we prove that this works? How can we demonstrate this requirement in an automated fashion? And before you know it, you'll have automated acceptance tests embedded into your build pipeline, embedded into your CI process. And you'll have developer involvement, which means there's much less chance of them breaking and being fragile. So give that a go. And please let me know how you get on. Leave some comments or send me some messages. I would love to hear how you get on. Okay, that's all for now, folks. Thanks for listening.